Students, a star, Aditya. He's from 71 batch. He did course here in the month of May. Am I right? Yeah. And the peak of summer, right? And thereafter on 14th June, he has cracked his SSB from 5 years FSB Guwahati for FCAT entry. And after clearing his medical, he's here with us with sweets and to distribute to the class and celebrate his success with us. Right? So welcome, Aditya. We'll talk to him, and we also, as per our tradition, we present the AMAS tie and the AMAS cup to all our successful students, and we also listen to them at what has been their method of preparation, right? And then, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask. But today he has a flight at 7 o'clock, so we'll not prolong this meeting. We'll keep it short and crisp. But at the same time, I would first request Aditya to tell us when he finished the AMAS course, and then he had about, I think, 14-15 days with you.
Yes, sir.
So, and how did you prepare? And which attempt was this? And how did you handle your preparation, which helped you crack the SSB? Over to Aditya.
Good afternoon, everyone. Like after completing AMAS course, I had hardly 14 days. So what I did, I just revised all the things. You will be preparing your TAT notepads and Lexit notepads. So I just revised that. I have not done anything else. After that, it was my first attempt, and all the 11 pictures were from the EMAS. All the 11 pictures from the EMAS, and you will be getting the CIQ form. So, sir, fortunately, all the CIQ questions were word to word same, sir, in the interview. So, interview and psych went very smoothly. Thereafter, in AFSB, sir will be talking about fulcrum and effort. Sir, in AFSB, Balli will be used for effort only.
Balli, plank, etc.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And you will be doing that. After that, the homework which you will be getting here, please do it rigorously and please do it because that is very important. You will be feeling like let's not do it, छोड़ देते हैं एक दिन आप में से बहुत सो जाते हैं and seriously I slept only 3 hours during the whole course with my fellow mates. After that, I made very good friends here. My whole batch, sir. I am definitely sure that they will also come here.
Very well. 71 batches doing exceedingly.
Yes, sir. And after that, for GDs, you will be practicing here, and that is more than enough. It's just you have to practice with your group after going from here. You can do it virtually. That will also help you. And that was all, sir. That was all my experience.
To speak in specific, since you had gone to Air Force, and how many of you are going for Air Force? Anyone of you? Yeah. So many. So in the interview, did they ask you any specific questions about Air Force? Should focus on that.
Sure. In my interview, I did not got any specific question for
generic.
It was generic. It was
CIQ based.
It was totally CIQ based. Like my mother has business, so they asked me about like my mother has school uniform business. So the interviewer asked me to dress me. So I told them ki sir, you will be sized 44 shirt, pant this and size this, socks free size and all that stuff. And also one important thing, sir will be telling you that when you will go to a like SSB, so sir will be telling you that you should give treats to your fellow mates over there. So in 5 phase B you will be not having any canteen. So if in case you will there you will in the lunch and in the dinner you will be getting sweets. So 5 दिन के लिए अगर तुम स्वीट नहीं खाओगे तो कुछ होगा नहीं. So I will suggest you to distribute in your group. So उसमें क्या होगा कि उनको एक रैपो बिल्डिंग हो जाएगा एंड इट इज ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. अगर तुमने किसी को कुछ दिया तो दे विल आल्सो हेल्प यू. सो दैट हेल्प मी सर इन माय GTU सर. सो मेरे को आम मिलते थे, खीर मिलती थी और भी स्वीट वहाँ पे लोकल थे तो मैं वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता था. मैं खाता नहीं था एंड सो दैट इज व्हाट आई डिड. बाकी थोड़ा I would suggest कि mingle up with the group because that will help you in the other task. Like in my GD and GTO, GP in the group discussion, people were agreeing to my point because it was like I was the mediator and people were listening to me. And same with the group obstacle race and other stuff. People were listening to me, sir.
And how was your conference? Was it short and crisp, or they had some lot of questions in the conference also? How was the conference?
Sir, like there was a waiting in my conference. But after that, it went very smooth. They asked me, what is your plan after that? Like, what will you do after this? So I told that I will go to Shillong with my friends and that's also.
So, thank you so much, Aditya, for sharing. Anyone wants to ask any question? चलो, ऑल ऑफ यू कीन टू ईट द स्वीट्स। ये जो स्वीट्स आपको भी मिल रही हैं, ये कर्जा है जो आपको इधर आके उतारना है, जिसने उतारा है अभी। ठीक है, तो जो जो मिठाई खा रहा है वो यहाँ पे मिठाई लेकर भी आएगा पास होने के बाद। प्रॉमिस?
I just want to mention one point that please make brothers here, and for girls please make sisters, because I want to give credit to my coursemate also sir, because हमारे में से किसी का भी SSB आता था तो सब virtually 12 बंदे आ जाते थे और वही CIQ पे CIQ पूछे जा रहे हैं उसको रिग्रेसली। किसी एक का भी SSB होता था ना तो ऐसा लगता था कि हमारा SSB है। तो ऐसे ही सर हॉकिब भी हो गया और कुणाल भी हो गया। यस सर, वो मेरे ग्रुप की, मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर, वो भी अभी पीछे आ ही रहे हैं। आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर। So make sure you make brothers and sisters here because this bond is very pure. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aditya. So let me now present him the tie and the cup, and after that we'll distribute the sweet.